Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create the skydiving pose on Dress to Impress. So this technique is basically merging two poses together. So you can do any pose, but I'm just showing the skydiving pose for now. So you will need to save one outfit in like a masculine like body before you do this. So select your outfit, and then you're going to select the TENS pose pack from the ice skating pose pack. Go here and press E. Switch to the masculine body wear. Switch back to the skydive. You're then going to jump and then TENS and then icy. And then here you have it, the skydiving pose on Dress to Impress. Super cool. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.